back. How are you guys doing today? Welcome. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to everyone that have been watching my videos, or to all of my new subscribers, those that leave comments on my videos. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time seeing this face, my name is Dele. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in London. Welcome to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title, it's going to be about the aloe vera treatment. Yes. The main reason why I decided to try this aloe vera treatment was because I was doing research about it, and they were saying that it's very good for hair growth. It's also good for the skin, but I'm going to mainly focus today on my hair. And I've been natural for 8 years. Yes, this is natural hair. This is my natural hair for 8 years. But although I damaged it many years ago, I went to straighten it, and the guy didn't know what he was doing with damage. I've got a video on that. I'll put the link of that video in the description box, and you can find out what really happened. And also last year I went to a natural hair salon, and they trimmed my hair for me. They did a good job. So maybe that's why. But I just feel like my hair should be longer than this. So I decided to try the aloe vera treatment to see if my hair is going to grow. Yes, my hair should be way longer than this. Mixed some oil together earlier today, but I didn't record that part. So aloe vera oil mixed with coconut oil and extra virgin oil, and I've also got it with my normal candle oil that I use to apply to my scalp and to my hair. So I've mixed all of the oil together. I'm going to see how it goes. My hair shrinks a lot, so you can't actually see my actual length, and I'm a bit scared to go straight in my hair again. So I don't know. Anyway, for now, this is what we're going to work with. So this is my hair. I'll put the clip on now that you guys can watch how I was able to get the aloe vera juice, and then after that you can see how I'll be able to apply the juice to my hair. Guys, I'm not going to show you the process. So this is aloe vera leaf or plant. You need this to sieve it to get the juice, and you need the bowl that you're going to sieve the juice into. So yes, can you see the juice, guys? It looks so juicy. Like, I'm going to use a knife, so be careful with the knife. So you just cut off, or you peel off the skin, because this is what we really need, this gel. Can you see that? Me scooping it into my So this is all I'm left with after cutting the aloe vera plant. So I'm now going to just, well, to smoothen it, not really blend it. This is the aloe vera juice. So this is it. This is what the aloe vera juice looks like. So I'm going to spray this in my hair. Yes. I'm not going to section my hair into 4 sections, so it's easier for me to apply the aloe vera juice to my hair. So I'm just going to apply it to my hair now. Massage it into your roots of your hair. The ends, and you work your way to the roots, and then don't forget your edges. see how I do. So you start from the ends. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Start from the ends and you work your way to your roots. Like I said, it's a very messy process, but I'm gonna wash my hair after this and I'm going to have a shower after this. So do this when you have time. Massage the aloe vera into your scalp so that, like I said, I'm trying to my main purpose of using this aloe vera gel is to grow my natural hair. So there are other benefits to have applying aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice to your hair, but I'll put it on the screen. I was doing research about it and I was reading, and that's what they said the benefits are. So my main purpose of it is to grow my natural hair. Left. So I'm just finishing. I'm trying to massage the aloe vera gel to my scalp. So this is me done. Yes, it's quite a messy process, but like I said, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna leave the aloe vera juice in my hair for 30 minutes, then I'll wash it off. I'm not gonna show you guys that process, but I just wanted to show you guys how I apply the aloe vera juice to my hair and to my scalp. Don't forget, like I said, forget to massage the aloe vera onto your scalp. So what you guys think? All done. I've still got a little bit left. I'm gonna try and see what I can do with this. Apparently you can preserve it, so I'll find out, and then maybe I can use it for my skin, for my face. I don't know. I'll do more research about that. So guys, this is me done for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if there's anything else you think I should have done, or if you've used this before and it's helped you with your if it has helped grow help with growing your natural hair or your relaxed hair, or if you just, or if I've inspired you to try this, then leave a comment so I can know. Thank you so much guys. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for dropping by. Bye bye.